we're going to take the Rowdy bus tour right around Nashville. Let's go check it out. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're about to take you on a tour that is the most exciting ride in Nashville, Tennessee. So buckle up, hang tight, cause it's the ride of a lifetime. Now this is the coolest ride in Nashville. We were looking for something fun to do. We didn't want to go into the bars, and we did the night scene and all that. So we decided to jump on this Rowdy bus. The Rowdy buses are like school buses. Some of them have rooftops and some of them don't. But the best thing about this bus is it's $49 a person and can hold up to 15 to 20 people. You have to have at least 10 in your party, which was no problem for us. This bus is awesome for girls' night out parties, bachelorette, just turned 21. It's an amazing birthday parties, and it's fun for everyone. Another good thing about this bus is you get to BYOB, bring your own booze, and you know that was right up our alley. So what you do is you pack your own cooler, hand it over to the bartender whenever you get on the bus. Hey bartender, and she will serve you your favorite cocktails, beers, and anything you pack all night long. Well, at least for 2 hours, because this trip is 2 hours of the best tour in Nashville, Tennessee. And not only will you entertain others, but they entertain you as well. You also get to bring your own playlist. So make sure you pack a good cooler and you have all your favorite tunes, because you're going to be looking at a cool, fun, entertaining night. If you're like me and you really don't like to push your way through crowds at night, this is the golden opportunity for you to see the town without walking it and without being cooped up or cramped up by certain people. And some of you probably don't like to drive in traffic. And as you can see, there is a lot of traffic around here in Nashville. Alright, so you better sign up quick if this is something that you're interested in doing. So we chose the 5:30 to 7:30, which was absolutely the best time you can pick, because we've actually started at sunset and went into some of the nightlife. You get to travel down Broadway and all these small streets with restaurants, shopping, and what an awesome opportunity to see the city and town. So if you have entertainers on your bus and you have somebody that likes to sing, they even have a karaoke machine. So you can entertain and be your own country music singer as you're going down the street. If you like to dance like I do and you're a little afraid of the bus moving, they have handrails that you can grab to hang on tight. And once you're tired of dancing, they have stools that you can sit on with big old windows with handrails so that you can hold on tight and relax and enjoy the rest of the night. This bus brought us all together with family and friends, and we're celebrating my niece's 21st birthday, And it was a chance for us all to stay together without hopping into Ubers and, pushing our way through busy streets and crowds and wondering where we're going to park. So this was just a great opportunity. We had so much fun. I highly recommend anyone. You don't even have to play your music loud. If you just want to ride through town and enjoy the view, this is the bus that you want to get on. I know your next question is, what if you have to use the restroom? What they do is they'll drive you around for an hour, take a bathroom break, let everyone get off, stretch their legs, and you're back on the road to more and more fun. The other travel opportunity is the pedal taverns. I know you're seeing those little taverns, or the little bicycle-looking carts are pretty cool too. We wanted to do those, but unfortunately, whenever you're here for 3 days, you run out of time. But there's a lot of opportunities that we wanted to do. There's people everywhere. They have the tour trolley buses. They have the Rowdy bus like we got on the party bus. And then they have the pedal tavern that look fun as well. And whenever you go by them, you'll see they're having just as much fun as we are. So if you ever get a chance to come down here to Nashville, and you're going to be just like me, you're going to step out on the street and see all the lights, the people, the cars, the taxis, and you're going to be like, just check out that view. Isn't it awesome? Look at those lights, street lights, and the humongous buildings. I mean, you've got to take it all in. And every single block is like a different bar. It's country music, it's western, it's pop, it's kid rock. It is just unbelievable. People are having fun, smiling. I've never seen so many cowboy boots and cowgirl hats in my whole entire life. Yeehaw! They're doing all the driving, and you're doing all the sightseeing. Easy peasy, relaxing, and you see all this traffic. It is very intimidating. And if you're not up to walking into the bars, this is the golden opportunity to take it all in, just kind of cruising around. There you have it, the Rowdy bus in Nashville, Tennessee. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. And if you're down here and you see something that you want to do, take a picture of it, because that's what we did. We caught them up and we had an excellent time. They all have their numbers on the side of the buses or the pedal tavern and everything. Call them up, check it out. You won't be sorry. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching or traveling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.